So if you make your way into the market and you notice, okay, I have already missed the move up, and we're going to look at the dollar yen here, and you open up your trading station and you notice, okay, I missed the party. We had a run from 111.74 and to 112.16, and you're thinking, okay, well, what do I do now? Well, if you're looking at the chart and you're using the grid together, you're always able to put together a trade. And in this case, what I did initially off the bat, I can't remember everything that I was looking at when I did this trade, but I do remember what I first noticed here. What I did was I put a sell limit on this dollar yen at 112.48. And roughly the reason I did that was price had moved again, like I said, from here 111.74, and we had a pop up. So we're still on top of our 1 minute support, but at this time I didn't have, I don't think I had the time to manage a trade. So what I was most interested in was, okay, well, if the market wants to go ahead and run up another, let's just call it 50 points to 112.50, I was happy to take a quick position short for 10-15 pips if that move did that. So what I did was I just opened up a pending order, and I put in 112.48. That was close enough to here. That's where I got that number. And what the market ended up doing, it ran up to roughly 112.30 area, not quite 48, and it was at the top of this white zone here. So I just went ahead and manually, when I got back to this, when I got back to my desk, I looked at where price was, and I made a short at 112.24. And my target with this, again, was really just 10 pips and maybe 10-15 pips down to the bottom of our 15-minute support here, and then maybe look to buy, go north again. And looking at what we had happen here, price did come down roughly to about 112.07 here. But anyway, this is just a good example of how we can look at the chart and look at the grid, and it's showing us, we're at the top of a resistance here. Maybe we can look for 10-15 pips back down to a big support, okay? Because in this scenario, price has already moved way up. It could continue another run way up. But then when we start to see our 1 minute boxes separated from our 5 minute boxes and our 15 in the hour, and when it all gets extended, we can start to think, well, at some point the market needs to rest, come back down, look for a support. In this example, we see we can do that, and that's if we show up to the party late.